Hi students, welcome to the first video online class of Social Science. I am Deepa here and I am teaching Social Science for you in 5th standard. So today I am going to start the first lesson or first block from your textbook. Before that, let me give introduction for the content of the book. Total there are 25 blocks are there in your textbook. Among 25 blocks, 12 blocks you are going to learn in first semester and another 13 blocks you are going to learn in second semester. So, let us start with the first block, that is shifting families. My dear children, in the previous class, it means in the 4th standard, you learned about the family, meaning of family, types of family. These all you have learnt in the previous class. So, what is family? Family is a group of people living together, means related peoples living together, especially parents and their children. This is the meaning of family. In family, there are two types of families are there, joint family and nuclear family. Here what is joint family? You would have observed in joint family there will be many members. For example, parents, grandparents, children and brothers, their wives, uncle, aunt, nephews, niece. Like this, many relatives live together. So, that is called joint family. Nuclear family. What is nuclear family? In nuclear family, there will be only parents and their children. It means hardly 4 to 5 members they live. That is nuclear family. Here, in this lesson, that is shifting family, you are going to learn changing families. What is changing families means? How the joint families changed into nuclear families. What are the reasons for that? That you are going to learn in this point. And next one is changes in family. After changing joint family into nuclear family, what are the changes they are going to find in that nuclear family? That you are going to learn in the next point. So, let us start with the first point, that is changing families. In earlier time, people used to live in one house in a joint family along with parents, grandparents, brothers, their wives, sisters, uncle, aunt, cousins, nephew, niece. Like this, so many relatives used to live in one house. But over the years, means how the years passed, many joint families break up into nuclear families, because there are many reasons are there behind that. You can see joint families only in villages or in small towns. Nuclear families we can see in big cities. So, reason behind this is migration. That is one of the reason joint families break up into nuclear families. These are the 3 reasons why large families break up into small families or nuclear families. So, these are only 3 points. There are many reasons why large families break up into small family. Let us learn these 3 points. First one is migration. The meaning of migration is moving to a new place to settle down for a period of time. Means one family moving to another place to settle down for period of time. Means they leave their hometown and they go for another place or new place to settle in that place. So, this is migration. About the migration, there are many reasons are there why people migrate from one place to another place, that you will learn in the next class. So, just you have to understand, this is also one of the reason for changing in family. Next point is less space. This is also one of the reason for changing families. Children, you would have observed in cities there will be small houses, because many nuclear families live in cities, and cities are crowded with the people. Many people will be there and they live in cities. So, all the members of joint family, they cannot live in small house. They cannot come, all the people, they cannot come to city and they cannot live in that small house. So, because of this less space also, joint families become nuclear families. Next point or next reason is choice. Here, old parent, it means grandparents, they don't like to leave their hometowns. They don't like to stay with their children in cities. If you ask your grandparents to live with you in cities, in your small family or nuclear family, they don't like that, because they don't want to leave their hometowns. They like to live there only, because they adjusted with the that house and also people of that place. So, they don't like to come. That is choice. They don't choose to live in cities, especially your grandparents. So, these are the reasons for changing families. Why joint families change into nuclear families. Next one is changes in a family. What is this changes in a family? In your book you can observe, my children, here what is joint family, what is nuclear family. Along with that, changes also they have showed with the picture. Here in the figure 3 and figure 4 shows the difference between joint family and a nuclear family. What changes take place in the family. So, there are many changes takes place in when the joint family change into nuclear family. Especially first one, children feel lonely. When you live in joint family, you enjoy the stories told by grandparents. I think all of you heard stories. So, your grandparents used to tell always, every day they used to tell stories, and even we like to hear those stories. But in cities, we can't enjoy that, because our parents go to job. Early morning they leave house and they come late night. So, we get to tell stories. And in joint families, children can enjoy, play with their cousins. But in nuclear family, they live alone, or only one sister or brother will be there. It is they don't feel so much enjoyment what they get in the joint family. In nuclear family they cannot get. So, they feel alone. And if only one child is there, what she or he will do? If both the parents are working, if they are going for job, in home they might be writing homework. After that they watch TV. Still time there means they play video games. So, this is their routine work. So, they feel lonely in the nuclear families. This is also one of the change you can find in the nuclear family after it change into joint family to nuclear family. Next one is members do not receive much help. It means if you observe joint family, in joint family every member they do some work, they share their work and they continue their work every day. For example, grandmother will be cooking food and your mother, aunt, they will be cleaning vessels, cloths. Means they share their work. But in nuclear family, nobody is there to share the work. They have to do their household work themselves. But there will be maid or servant will be there. She also help. But in absence of her, they have to do their own work. So here they don't receive much help from others. And here next point is more they depend on home appliances. So here home appliances means mixer, grinder, microwaves and washing machines. These we use more in the cities because we have to complete our work fast. Mother also going for work, so she has to complete her work very fast. So she depend more on home appliances, and it is easy to do for them because first of all they don't receive much help. One more reason or one more change is family members get less time to spend each other. In joint family, how we enjoy each other? We spend each other because we get more time. Everybody will share the work and they complete very soon all the works. They can spend more time to talk with each other. But in nuclear family, they don't get time to talk each other. Early morning if they go for job, late night they come back to home. So where is the time to talk? So they don't spend more time even with the children also. So these are the changes we find in nuclear families. So this is about first 2 units in the first block, that is changing families and changes in a family. So remaining 2 topics or 2 units, let's learn in the next class. Thank you so much.